Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Firstly, my name is Muhammad Abdul Arif bin Ahmad Sabri. Okay, so today I will present about Waqaf instrument in Islamic capital market. So firstly, we will look about introduction. Waqaf is a system that existed in human life before Islam came, not named Waqaf. The construction and financing of place of worship is done according with the concept of Waqaf, as is the case with trading, ijarah, marriage, and other akad-akad have existed before Islam. Economics in one of important aspect of Islam, which a field advanced human sustenance. The economic aspect of money, things like infaq, zakat, wakaf, and others. Wakaf is the economic use of Muslim, which does not matter. It's need to be developed in the best way and be vigilant in order to maximize its benefit to Muslim in particular and human being entirely. Now let's see problem statement. Wakaf, according to current practice in Malaysia, wakaf is divided into two. Firstly, wakaf am. Wakaf is generally wakaf to any form of wakaf property made for the purpose or generally carried without specific beneficiary. The second is wakaf khas. It is specific when the wakaf determines the wakaf made purpose special. The example, a wakaf land for cemeteries or wakaf land for the poor. Research question. The Islamic capital market is a relative new industry when compared to other Islamic finance industry in the world of Malaysia. For example, the Islamic banking industry, which has been developed yearly and is currently experiencing quiet economic growth. Regarding efforts to develop the Islamic capital market, they are currently fatwa related to the capital market industry. The research objective. Firstly, analysis related to capital market development Sharia in Malaysia. The second is explanation of potential development of wakaf instrument and asset in wakaf in Malaysia. Third, benefit of publishing on the effectiveness of wakaf asset management in encourage market development Sharia capital in Malaysia. Now let's see the result and analysis. Malaysia wakaf potential. Wakaf asset in Malaysia count big view from the research nature or land resources capital. The number of wakaf asset in Malaysia between the largest among the wakaf property in all the world. This is a challenge for the people, Malaysian Islam, to be able to function the wakaf property to the maximum, so that lands can the welfare of Muslim in Malaysia according to the function and purpose of the teaching actual wakaf. The first direct wakaf, namely wakaf property which produce service in the form of goods for direct consumption by people who entitled to wakaf, such as hospitals, schools, orphanages, and settlements. The second is productive wakaf, namely wakaf manage of investment, purpose, and production of goods and service permit under Islamic laws. In the form, the capital wakaf property invested, then investment returns is distributed to those who entitled. Okay, the conclusion. First, development of Sharia capital market in Malaysia show its existence, a positive improvement to comprehension of the value of the investment with the Sharia capital market, still very small. Okay, the second, wakaf in Malaysia is around a Sharia capital market product with capable of attracting attention investor to invest the capital, as seen by the graph. Its increased development increased. Okay, the third, Malaysia wakaf sector has good potential in pushing Sharia capital market investment level in Malaysia. Okay. My suggestion is there is a cooperation between the part Nazir with market actor Sharia capital in integrate to generate an alternative products that are capable of pushing Sharia capital market sector. The second, use the wakaf as an affordable product, creating a symbiosis of mutualism between the wakaf sector and the sector Sharia capital market. Okay, so that's all for my presentation for today. Okay, so I will finish with Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.